All right, YouTube. This is Jamel with Focused Hands here. So I got a little video for you. I want to install this 3.0 LED voltmeter and 2-port charger for, like I said, USB 3.0 and devices that need 3.0 to be able to be charged in the car. So I bought this off Amazon for about like 14 bucks with a 10% discount, something like that. And I ended up buying this cigarette lighter extension. So what I did is I cut the cigarette lighter extension. Let me set this phone down real quick, and I can show you the innards because I'm about to solder everything. So give me 1 second. So I just want to show you a little bit of the wiring work that I'm doing, and sorry for the flashing. Let me see if I can change that. There we go. I want to know high beam, maybe red will do. Maybe, can I go green? Oh no. Alright, so I want to show you a little bit of the wiring that I'm going to do. So I got my my sleeves right here. When I get ready to solder it, I'm gonna go ahead and solder, or not, go ahead and wire up this cable, and we'll continue from there. Let me try to set this so you can see it. I do have a stand. So basically, the basic job is to get your 2 wires and make sure that all of your wires are making contact, and not just run the 2 and just tie them. Anyway, so that's how I do it. All right, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to solder the cables, and then I'm going to use a heat gun to shrink wrap it, and that'll be done. And then I might use a little bit of electrical tape so that all these pieces here are dressed nicely. So let me do that, and I will turn you back on. The usual method for soldering here is to heat up the bottom so that you can bleed it through. I'm gonna go ahead and get these cables shrank now, and then I will wrap the rest with electrical tape. All right, take a look at that. Looks pretty good. All right, YouTube, so now we're going to go ahead and wrap it up to make sure that it's well protected. And that's pretty simple, just using electrical tape. And you want to pull it a little bit tight so that it looks nice. And this part is up to you. You don't have to do it because the shrink works pretty well, but if you want to make sure you seal everything in, I would say don't skip over this step. There's a lot of chances for wires to get split, and electrical problems in cars are a nightmare trying to chase down. It's now taped up to there. I'm gonna go to the other side and tape here. All right, YouTube, so this is the final. It looks pretty good. I would say junior professional. And if I needed to, I can twist this off and get to the cap. So You know, just make sure that you keep this open should you need to twist it off and get to it. That's just a tip. Now I will be free to go and plug it in the car and test it. So we're gonna do that. Stay tuned. All right, so I'm now in the car, and I'm gonna go ahead and test this. Let me get everything plugged up here. Sorry for moving you around like that, making you seasick. Plug it in. The light comes on there, that's great. And the light comes on here. Pretty cool, huh? Pop the lid. Ooh. It gives you access to 2 USBs over here. Why is it not focusing though? Better. So yeah, that's how you run this, and I'm probably gonna run this right through here. I might have to do a little bit more drilling, but I'm gonna run that through that cable right there and or out of the front. But I want to be able to see it, so I'll probably run it right through here. Oh, excuse me. I'll probably run it through this little hole that I made earlier, right through here, and it'll sit like that. So when I'm driving and or when I need to have a little bit more electrical power for a passenger's phone, they can link up and charge their phones using this, and I can see the car's voltage right from here, which is pretty cool. Anyway, if you like this video, you know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, ring that notification bell, tell a friend. And I would say, you know, tune in to my next episode. I typically try to push out videos weekly, bi-weekly. I have a plethora of videos that I'm working on right now for you all, for the Ford Focus, that I'm just trying to make sure I get everything right with the editing and whatnot, just so you know how to do things that I've done. Anyway, stay tuned. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.